Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in Japan, we are not in Tokyo anymore. We're actually in Karuizawa, which is a resort town near Nagano, Japan, about 2 hours from Tokyo. So today we are just shopping around local stores. This is one of our favorite stores. It has tons of bracelets and rings and coasters and just cool looking tribal accessories and stuff like that. I got 2 coasters here for my friends, and yeah. Then we decided to walk to the train station together, and that is where we ran into Joy, who was ordering a crepe. So we love watching this guy make crepes, so we decided to stay and watch him make it. Later that day, we went to Shidaito Falls, which is a popular waterfall in Karuizawa. But before that, there's a bunch of food stalls, and we stopped and got this fish on a stick, which we get every year. And the guy pulls the fish out, cooks it right there, sells it for $7. And Jace always takes this picture with this fish because he took it when he was like 1 year old, and it's kind of funny. Later we walked to a secondary, lesser-known waterfall, and which somebody local told us about, and it was totally worth the walk. There it is right there. It was beautiful, and no one else was there looking at it, so we really enjoyed that. So later that night we went out to dinner at an all-you-can-eat Shabu Shabu restaurant. It's a very popular Japanese dish with thinly sliced meat, hot water, broth, and vegetables, and you cook it right in front of you. So we went out to eat with my dad's old boss and his family, and they were so nice to give us this wedding bouquet. As you can see in my bowl, I have some cooked meat, some udon noodles, and enoki mushrooms, and just dip it in sauce. This was a ponzu sauce, which has like a citrus flavor, and it is so good.